Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2021 GLE 53 AMG Coupe. This one has an aftermarket vinyl wrapped green. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 429 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 21-inch split 5-spoke AMG wheels, a black MB text Dynamica with red stitching interior, metal weave trim, panorama sunroof, coming back, rear spoiler, power liftgate, trailer hitch, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sill, original car, color is black as you can see. Red seat belts, leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey my Mercedes." "Hey my Mercedes."
How can I help?
Change ambient light to green.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to give it voice commands and it will act as a smart device. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad for an infotainment center, our different parking cameras, dynamic select for our different driving patterns, our exhaust, suspension adjustments, traction control. This GLE 53 AMG has 23,394 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 53 AMG Coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.